Oh no! Someone save the cat from the water! But I don't know how to swim.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, and today we will be interviewing this year's swimming champion, Tom.
So, Tom, you are the champion today. How do you feel?
I feel amazing. But 3 months ago, I was even afraid of a bathtub.
Do you believe it? The best swimmer in town was once terrified of water.
Hard to believe, right? Let me tell you how it all began. This was a relaxing weekend for my family. Come here, Tom. Playing in the water is so much fun. No, thanks. I don't like the water.
It's okay, Tom. Take your time.
I also really wanted to play in the water, but I didn't have the courage to go near it. That afternoon, I was taking a walk in the park. What's that sound? Oh no, look! There's a cat in the water! I am scared, but that kitten is in danger! Don't worry, little cat. I'm coming. I got you. You're safe now. The water is not scary. But I really need to learn how to swim. I think knowing how to swim is extremely important. Mom, Dad, I have something to say.
What is it, honey?
I want to learn how to swim. Can I take classes?
That is a great idea.
Yes, Tom. I'm glad you've confronted your fears. Wow, this place is so interesting. There are so many other students studying here just like me.
Hi, Tom. I am Mr. Paul. Ready to learn?
Yes, Mr. Paul, but I am a little nervous.
Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep it up, team. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Don't worry. We'll start slowly, Tom. Move your arms evenly.
Yes, sir.
Kick your legs. 1, 2, 1, 2. Very good.
My legs are getting tired, though. Studying is really hard. Keep going, Tom.
Excellent, Tom. You learn very fast.
Coach, I did it! 25 meters!
Tom, you are very natural, Beth. You have a gift for this. There is a junior competition next month. Do you want to join?
A competition? Me? Really? I can do it, and I'm such a good swimmer. fastest in this class. This will be easy.
Hey, look, it's the new kid.
Are you joining the race? You are too slow.
Just wait and see. I will win the gold medal easily.
Junior 100 meters freestyle.
Tom, keep going. You got this. Come on, honey, push it. Go, Tom, go.
My arms, they feel like stones. I'm so tired. I lost. I am the worst. I told you, you are not a real swimmer. I want to go home. I'm a loser. I should quit. I'm not a swimmer. Tom, are you okay? I failed. Everyone laughed at me. Winning is great, but not giving up is getter. I believe in you, big bro. You're right. I was too arrogant. I need to train the right way. One, two. 1, 2.
Focus on your rhythm, Tom. Slow is smooth, smooth is fast.
Breathe in, breathe out. I feel strong.
Great job, Tom. You've learned to swim really well.
Time flies. The next exam day is already here. What is that? Oh, someone lost their wallet. This looks important. I should find the owner. Sir, did you drop this?
No, sorry, kid.
Oh no, it's 9 a.m. now. The competition is about to start. I've tried so hard and I hope to win. I have to do the right thing. Officer, I found this wallet on the street.
Thank you, young man. This is very good of you. What is your name?
I'm sorry I can't stay. I have a race. Bye. I have to speed up. The race is about to start.
Where is he? The race starts in 5 minutes. Tom,
Please come. He is not coming. He is too scared. Wait! I am here. Please, sir. Can I swim?
Okay, hurry up. Take your mark.
Look, Tom. He's arrived just in time.
Wonderful, son.
focus, breathe, swim for the people who love you.
did it!
Tom Miller is the champion! What a finish!
Yes, he did it. That's my boy.
He finished first. Yay, Tom.
I did it! It's all thanks to my teacher and my family, who have always been there for me. We're so proud of you, Tom. I'm so happy that my family is always there for me.
Wow. That is an amazing story, Tom.
Remember, never give up and always do the right thing. Bye, everyone.